So you think your favorite apps are powered by some futuristic AI language like Rust, Zig, or some obscure thing you found on Hacking News?
Oh, hell no!
Behind Netflix, Instagram, Spotify, TikTok, and YouTube, it's the same old suspects. Java, Python, and maybe a sprinkle of C++ if the servers are really crying. So at this point of the video, we are going to quickly break down all our favorite apps and the programming languages that they were built with. Now let's start with Netflix. Everyone thinks Netflix must use something fancy to stream half the planet's movies.
Nope.
It's Java. Yep, the same language that powered your high school Hello World project is also powering Squid Game apparently. Netflix basically runs on Spring Boot microservices, which is a fancy way of saying we duct taped JavaScript apps together really well. Let us quickly move to Instagram. First of all, Instagram runs Python. That's right, your carefully curated brunch photos are brought to you by the same language you use to automate renaming your files on your desktop. So next time when you find yourself being thirst trapped on Instagram, just know that Python is the demon behind the dirty deeds. Spotify runs on about 80% Python. Yeah, Python does all the fun stuff, mostly recommendations and APIs, while Java and C++ are in the background, making sure your favorite playlist doesn't buffer every 5 seconds. It's basically a band. Python writes the lyrics, Java plays the drums, and C++ is the grumpy bassist keeping everyone on tempo. Now let's go to one of the big boys, TikTok. TikTok's backend is like a coding buffet. Some Java, some Python, a little C++, and maybe Go for dessert. ByteDance clearly couldn't decide, so they decided to just say yes and just take whatever that they found on the table. Your FYP is probably Python serving you content you never asked for, while Java makes sure it runs fast enough to rot your brain before bedtime. Now let's go to the last man standing, YouTube. When YouTube first started, it was PHP, but then Google bought it and said, never again. Now it's Python with C++, Java, and some Go sprinkled in. Basically, YouTube is running on every language Google ever shoved into computer science students' face. Python handles the main show, C++ keeps the video streaming smooth, and Go runs the shiny new features. So yeah, at the end of the day, most programming languages on earth aren't powered by the hot new thing. They are powered by old reliable Java and Python. The same stuff you thought was boring in school is literally running Netflix, Instagram, Spotify, TikTok, and YouTube. These same things you use almost every single day of your life. Next time someone says nobody uses Java anymore, remind them of their Netflix subscription because it disagrees.